IBIT Stock Analysis and Predictions for Monday, 15th of April and onward. Is iShares Bitcoin Trust stock a buy? Let's make sure to watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out, because I'm covering in this short video. So sitting at 38.14, 5% down for the day. This is how my previous technical analysis looked like, and you see I was quite bullish in this particular movement. I was expecting the price to come back into my zone and then give me the rules. You see super similar, like super line in line movement in price and whatnot in delivery, but then it started just kind of being all over the place here, and that's just how IBIT moves. Started consolidating, and now honestly I'm still expecting new highs to be made, but I've really not taken any opportunities here. Oh, this was super loud. Yeah, even before that, you see I've already done that. Let's check this video out. Oh, this already has gone up. I think, yeah, this is going to be the one. Yeah, this is when I drove it up. And I'm still expecting the same exact thing, so I want to see the highs get cleared out. This is my directional bias, not financial advice. For more value and resources, check out the first link in the description.